to another video on the channel. This video is more of a vlog because this baby is here. This is the 2020 M1 chip Macbook Air, as you can see, and it is my first new computer since literally forever. So I'm going to be unboxing it with all the ASMR sounds, and I'm going to try to make it the best video that you guys have ever seen. And we're currently at our grandparents' house. There might be a change of scenery literally in the middle of the setup. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm so excited. Alright, so right now you are watching the first ever edited video on my MacBook Air. I'm using iMovie to edit, and I just want to say that even though it is fanless, this computer is really good. Sorry for disturbing your ASMR, but we shall be here together to hear the chime. Also because my parents just went outside and now they're screaming a lot. The ASMR is ruined. Anyway, time to hear the chime together. Let's be as quiet as possible, except we can't. So Bradley, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, ready? Oh. Oh.
What a good screen. It has fabric over it.
Okay, okay.
That
use
English
it
as
while-
the main language.
Oh my god.
Press the return key.
Okay, what is this? Holy heck, what? Oh my god. Hi, I'm editing right now and I just woke up, so don't mind my voice. But I really had fun unboxing it, and next video will probably be a review for this computer because I think it's really good and I think you guys should also know how good it is.